Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a awesome and attractive mobile-friendly portfolio website using WordPress and Elementor, and it is fully free. So if you are a designer, developer, digital marketer, SEO specialist, or whatever you are, you must need a portfolio website to show your work to others. So it is very common and important part for every person who work like this. So in this video we will try to make a website portfolio website like this. So this is our example website, so have a look on it. So first there is a logo. So we make a website for a person, like his name is John Doe. So this is our example logo, John Doe, and here is menu, about, services, portfolio, testimonials, prices, contact, and this is our banner part. So here is you can use your name, your professional tagline, and few text. Okay, and here's two buttons. One is contact me and other is portfolio, and on the right side you can use your image with background attractive shape. So our next part is about me, and here is few animation. So here at the left side you can use your about your information like name, email, age, font, job type, etc. On the right side you can use your skills using progress bar. So as a John is a developer, so you can use here various coding skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, testing, debugging, etc. Next part is about experience and education. So you can write your education, where you from, school, college, university, or PhD, whatever you done already, or your experience you can write here. Intern developer, whatever you are. Okay. Next, your services you provided. So like web solution, branding, or support, whatever you have. Next part is our counter part, with few number will be count here. Then next part is your latest work. So here we use the isotope or filter gallery type portfolio section. So when you click on web design, so just show web design work. When you click on web development, it show all web development related work, and when you click WordPress, it show WordPress related work, and when you click all, it show all work here. And here just like a project name, few text, you can big image, and here you can use your live site link. Here we use just demo purpose images here. Okay. Next part is our city, our call to action part. I am available for freelancing, few text and a button here. And then next part, few client review. It is very important for any person who work freelancing or job setter. For client review is very important for attraction or trust issue. Then your price list. Here we use 3 price box, and this is like this. Then we use a blog part. If you write few blog about your work or whatever travel, you can write here, and we can use a timeline like this. Next part, our contact section. So here you can use your Google Map and address, phone, email, website, and here you can use your few client logo. It will slide automatically. And finally we have a footer with our social icon and copyright text. And this is one page website. When click on service, it go to service part, portfolio part, testimonials, price, contact, just like this. Okay. So in this video we will make this site like this. So already I have a install WordPress like a nahian.com portfolio. So you can use locally or server as you wish. So first we need few things first. So here we use as WordPress. So already I have installed WordPress. Secondly, we use Elementor page beta plugin. So we need to install this, and we use Hello Elementor basic theme. So first to install theme, for appearance to themes and add new. So we can use Hello Elementor basic theme. So just click on install. So it take few minutes or install. Okay, fine. Just click on activate. So our theme will be activated here. So if you use Hello theme, we must need install Elementor. So you go to plugins and add new, and here we can just search Elementor. Just search Elementor, okay. And Elementor website builder, just click install now. And beside this, we use another plugin which is called Essential Add-ons for Elementor for few purposes. So also already 1 million plus active installation and compatible with our WordPress version. Okay, is click already install now. Okay, so I go to again plugins as tool plugin. So just check and check from here and just click activate and apply. So already our two plugins installed, so we don't need for now. So our necessary part is done now. So we will make and we need to change this text. So first we make a page, so all pages to add new. We create a page like home and publish. Okay, fine, and back to dashboard and settings to general. So first we need to site title, so we just like John Doe and a tagline professional web developer. Okay, and just save changes and go to again reading, and then static page to our home page will be our home page. Again save changes, and lastly go to permalinks, and we can our common settings to post name and hit save changes. So our all is done now. And besides this, already I collected all the necessary images, already I uploaded here. So I will provide all images to you later, so don't worry about this. So add new page, so just click edit with Elementor. And if you check our example site, so look here, this is our primary color like orange color or something like this. So we all make our basic part. So I go to dashboard, Elementor home. So first I write settings and page layout to Elementor we don't need no header no footer because we will make all this. Okay, so fully blank page, update, and go to here again is 3 dot, click here site settings. Okay, first global colors, so primary color change to like #FF7720 our primary color. Okay, secondary color will be #333. Again text color like #333, and accent color we will add like #333. Okay, again back and global fonts. So for primary font we will use our Poppins font, Poppins. Okay, our size will be like no size need. Okay, 600. Okay, text control all is done. Secondary text color font will be Poppins, font size like 16 pixel. Okay, so for now this okay, if you need we will back again changes. Okay, click update and back to our editor. Okay, fine. Okay, so we're ready to start making our site. So first part is with our header part with logo and menu. Secondly we have a banner part, so we will make again like this with one section with 2 row. So first click here, so 1 column, and from our widgets we color inner section. Okay, just drag here and repeat. Okay, sorry, this part. So at the parent section I add just padding for now 40 pixel. Sorry, this not part, we need this part. Just add a few inner padding for better adjustment. Okay, now okay, and remove this. Sorry, remove this. Okay, fine. Okay, we use inner padding for better adjustment. Without this we cannot click here for problem. After finishing this part we will remove this padding. Okay, this is our inner section, so repeat this part again. So here we need a background images. So at the parent section click 6 dot from style, then background type classic, from click image. So we will use our banner image. So this is our banner image, insert media. Okay, then position center, background size, cover. So we need a overlay. So from background overlay, so we can classic and color, our secondary color. Okay, then we will choose our opacity like 9.5. Okay, and from top section we had two columns. So first is need a image, our logo part. So image we just drag here, click, we need a logo. So this is our logo, insert media, align left. So we reduce this column size. Okay, and then we need a menu part, but we don't get any menu yet. So click update and back to our dashboard. So from appearance click menus. Okay, so our menu which is about services, portfolio, testimonial, prices, contact, and as it is one page website, so we will use custom link. So first create a menu, name main menu, create menu, then custom links. So first just write here hash and just write here about, and as one page we just write about here. Okay, it needs letter. Then services, here write services. Okay, and then portfolio, testimonials. Okay, hash portfolio, here portfolio, add to menu, then testimonials, and just click copy and paste here our testimonials. Okay, then our prices, and then I think we have a missing one menu which is our blog part. So after testimonials, blog part is before after prices. Okay, so we can here hash blog. Okay, and finally our contact. Okay, add to menu. So our all menu added, done. So save menu. Okay, again go to our front Elementor page and refresh the page as we have added menu for update. Okay, so from widget, as we use essential add-ons, so here is new menu added. So this is essential add-on. So here is few advanced level widgets. So from just search here menu. So this is our simple menu. We use this menu, just drag here. Okay, fine. Main menu. Okay, preset, horizontal, everything fine. Then style, background color, we need transparent color as we don't need any background color. Okay, top level menu, so we can just alignment left. Okay, and from here we just add layout, vertical align middle. Okay, fine. Then go to style, our top level menu. Okay, divider, typography, we have a primary, fine, and we can use our font size like 22 pixel, 20, 18, 17. Okay, 500. Okay, fine. And then we have removed this space. So at the bottom we check icon size, hamburger menu, drop down item. We just remove all links together. Okay, and just left 10 and right 10. Okay, fine. And just need hover color. So why is the hover color? Hamburger menu, drop down items, main menu. Okay, top level menu, hover. So hover text color will be hash triple F, and background color our primary. Okay, we can use no background. Okay, we don't need any background color. We can use our primary color here. Okay, fine. So this part is okay now. So our next part, so here we need to use the image. So just here basic, we can drag our image. Already I have a image, this image. Okay, this appear here, alignment center. So we need a background image, so we can just here column, then style, then our background type, background image. We use this image, insert media. Okay, position, center, background size, content. Okay, we can write center, top center. Okay, fine. Hopefully it is okay now. So our next part is this part. I am John Doe. So we again here we use vertical align middle, so it look more better. So here we search dual heading, just drag here. Okay, so we don't need any icon, and we need text align left. Okay, so first content, everything fine. So here I am, then John Doe. Okay, we don't need any text. Okay, we have, okay, fine. Now we need to change our style part. So go to style, and here don't margin need, don't padding need. Okay, color and typography. So our main color will be our secondary color. Sorry, not secondary, we need white color. Okay, and then this color will be our primary color. Okay, and our typography, so we use our primary Poppins font. Okay, we use font weight 700, then like 22. We can increase size, like 50 is perfect, I think, or 55. Okay, nice. Then we need fancy text widget, which is from our essential add-ons. So just drag and paste here. So we don't need, this is just write professional. Okay, so first will be web developer, then YouTuber, and then finally teacher. And we don't need any suffix text, means after text we don't need any. Okay, fancy text settings, we alignment left. Okay, and go to style type and prefix color. So here is color is white color. Okay, fine. So prefix text color white. Typography our primary. Okay, fancy text style. Choose background typography solid color, fancy text style, and then sorry, don't need, we need this color, so it's solid color white. And font family primary. Okay, fine. So we need to increase our size like 22, 25, 24. Okay, and then fancy text style we change to 24. Fancy text style we don't suffix or okay, let me check. I think this part no, sorry, this is our professional fancy text style. So background typography we can increase. Okay, let me check here. Why is the problem? Click update. Okay, this works now. Maybe something caching problem. So our previous work is perfectly okay, so you can use this. And finally we need a few text, so copy those lines again, and here we need a text editor, so just drag and drop and copy and paste. Okay, so go to style, align left, color will be white, and we can change our text. Okay, fine, this is perfectly okay. Then we need a two button, so go to button part, so just write search button, just paste here. Okay, just write here contact me. Okay, here design all, and we have a hover color. So for hover color I go to for this hover, which color they use here, this color. Okay, just copy this code, fine, and just here align left, and then go to style, and from style we can use our background type, and background color will be our primary color. Okay, and then go to our typography, accent, we use accent, fine, so we can just Poppins font weight like 600. Okay, text transform uppercase, and then few font size like 16 pixel, 16 or 18 or 16. Okay, 16, fine. Then we can use few border radius, we have few padding. Okay, remove this padding, top 10, bottom 10, left 30, right 30, or you can use 15 and bottom 15. Okay, and now hover color. So when user move to cursor upon the button, so background color change to this color. Okay, so here we have two button beside, so here we have to change. So first go to advanced, and then position with just write inline, inline, yes. Again copy this button, right click, copy, again paste, sorry, don't paste, just paste. Okay, just check here two button, one beside one by one, because we have with inline. So second button we just add margin left like 20 pixel. Okay, change text to like latest work. So our this part is almost done, and again we don't need any border radius, so we don't need to off this border radius. So where is come from, border radius 0. Again this part we can go to style and just write border style 0. Okay, so we don't need top button, so again we can remove this top space, so just remove 40 and 40. Okay, this look more better now, and here we don't need this space, so we can just click column, advanced, column, yes, advanced, remove padding. Okay, this remove now, and again here some padding, advanced padding. Okay, we can use this padding. Okay, we can don't need. Okay, fine, and here finally this column we can remove this padding. Okay, fine, so this is perfectly okay now. So this is our banner part. Hopefully it is nice now with hover effect. Okay, so our next part, okay, this part is remaining. So at the parent section, our main parent, at this section is style, and here shape divider we can use bottom and use mountains. Okay, and bring to front. Okay, nice. So we can use few padding bottom like 60 pixel. Okay, so I think it look more better now. Okay, so our next part, is about section. So this is about section with our section title and two part. So let's start. So here again click section, so we have two row. So first we add inner section, just inner section 1, inner section 2. At the parent I just use padding like top 40 and bottom 80, as is have spaces again here. So we need to use dual color heading. So it needs one column. Okay, fine. So just we can use default subtext and off. Okay, and we can copy this line from here, learn about me details. So just click learn about me details, then dual heading we don't need, just about, and example it will be me. We change to text, so we use line, this type of icons. Okay, fine. So go to style, and style we can background color, we can icon style, color and typography. So main color will be our secondary color. Okay, solid color will be our primary color, typography will be primary, and we can use font weight 700, font size 22 pixel, or increase some like 40. And finally our subheading, so subheading color will be secondary, and text will be our text, yes, and text transform will be capitalized. So and font weight like something 500, so it look more better now. And next part is, here is a table. So how we can use, so first we write our section and just write vertical align middle. So we need a table part, so just write table. We use this data table. Okay, so we need 3 column. So lastly we remove this line. Okay, and from content we can remove this. Okay, fine. And from raw content, header, table header. So first will be our name, then it will be our email. It's right, email is. Okay, then it will be age. So our content part, so we can use content, so just write here John Doe, and then email john at gmail.com, and finally is like 25. So we can duplicate this part. So first we need to complete style part. So this with, okay, fine, header style. So header background color will be our primary color. Okay, and then typography will be our primary. Okay, fine. And anything else? Okay, icon size, icon position don't need, alignment, content style. So for content style we can all use our secondary color. This is our secondary color, and our this part content center, our need typography. So any typography is here, icon color, sorry, typography we can use text. So this part done, so we can just duplicate this part again. Okay, so here we need like what remain, font, job type, from. Okay, font, then job type, and finally we need why is he is from, so from. Again content part, so we can just write number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then our job type, so we can write remote or freelancing. Okay, and finally we have where is from, so just like USA. So this part is done now. So our next part is progress. So we can just write progress, just drag here. Okay, so one is done. So here is our design. So first we complete our design part. So line, layout, everything fine. Go to style, text and left. So first our background with height, so we can remove few height like 7. Okay, color is perfect. And then fill height like 7. Okay, background type classic, color will be primary. Okay, and then typography, title, we can remove few font size like 18. Okay, and anything else, line height, we can increase some line height 35. Okay, so we can duplicate this part, 2, 3, then 4, and finally 5. So we need to change our text. So go to content. So first is our HTML and then CSS. So this part like 98, all are for dummy purpose, you can change as you wish. Then next part like responsive design, so you can write like 90%. Then we have JavaScript or jQuery, so this part like 92%. Then we have WordPress or CMS, we can just write like 88%. And finally this part, so we can use testing or debugging. Testing or debugging, we can write here like 89%. What do I use? I can use just dummy purpose. So I think all is done now. So just click on update and preview changes. So we can change our updated here. So this is our latest part. So our next part is our education and experience. Okay, fine. So again here I just click a new section and we have one row, so we can just write here just click plus and 2 column. So here we can use background color. So we need background color like very light color like hash F4 F4 F4, advanced, and from padding top 80 bottom 80. So we need a title, so we can just drag this, so we can just write education. Okay, and then we need a divider, just drag here. Okay, first we complete this part, style, color, text transform, font weight like 500. Okay, size okay, text transform uppercase, font weight 600. Okay, fine. Now this divider part we can use pixel like 30 or 50. Okay, go to style, color will be primary, height 1.5, and no gap we need, so we can use 2. So I think look more better. Okay, fine. And then we need this part special design. So for this we use featured part, so just write feature list and paste here. Okay, we need to rearrange border to this part. Okay, fine. So first we have complete our design. So just go to style, show connector, yes. Okay, connector is perfectly okay now. And we can use like this. For first is our school degree, so just write here, remove this part. Okay, school degree, and then we need Cambrian this. So first word I use just duplicate, you can change text as you wish. So just here 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and from style part I go to space between like 25. Okay, connector everything perfect here, primary color. Okay, connector with icon, so we can change content icon. So from we can here change content here from icon shape. We can here square, okay, stacked, framed, okay, and then we need to change color. So go to icon color, so secondary color, primary, sorry, we don't need this color, okay, Ctrl Z or clear, okay, we need this color, okay, and then icon color, okay, fine, and we can increase some spaces like 35, okay, then content space between like 0, okay, so we can just duplicate this column and remove this part. So just write here experience, okay, so you can change text as usual. So I can just one part just like intern developer, you can change very easily as you wish. Okay, so our this part is done now. I don't change any text. Hopefully we will be very easily. If you don't know how to do this, you can comment after video below the video, so I will help you whatever you want. Okay, so our next part is service provide. So look here, already this part we done here, so we don't need to make this, we can just copy paste here. So okay, again we can click section, and from here we need inner section, just paste here and duplicate. At the parent section we use padding, top 880 and bottom 80. So copy this part, copy and again paste. Okay, so we can just copy our text. So this is our awesome creative service. So just click here and change text, and here services provide, okay, and here we can use icon box and paste here. Okay, so almost done. So we can just first one part. So this is our web solution, just click here and just write web solution and this text, okay, and paste here. Okay, so our first icon is code, so just click code and insert. Okay, go to style part, and here okay, fine, spacing we can remove spacing 0, okay, size like increase size like 35 or 40, okay, and then content. So we can use our text transform like uppercase, font weight 700, like this, okay, and need to increase some size like 22 pixel, 24 or 26, okay, and anything else description, hopefully it's okay now, spacing, vertical align, okay, center, okay. So we need add a box shadow. So go to style, sorry, advanced, and from advanced border, and we can use box shadow. So we can use box shadow from everything fine, just change our opacity, this color, so 0.5 to 0.1, okay, very small padding we use here. So if you hide this part, so just very light box shadow, okay. So you need to use few padding like 20 pixel, okay. So now we can duplicate this part 2 times, remove this part and again, and duplicate this section. Okay, so later we can change text here easily, you can do it. So this part is done now. So just click on update and check here, our service is all is done. So you can change text or icon as you wish, whatever you want. So our next part is our counter up. So user come here, number will be automatically counted. Okay, so just click here, one section. First we need style, background image, background type classic image. We can choose one image like this. Position center, background size cover, then background overlay, color, color like our secondary color. Okay, opacity like 0.95 and add few padding like top 80, bottom 80. So we can use 4 columns, so duplicate 1, 2, then 3 and finally 4. So we need counter, just like counter and drag here. Okay, so our first text is project done 250 plus. So just write 250 and just number suffix plus icon and change text to this part. And first we change our style part. Okay, we can just number Poppins font weight 700. Okay, font size like 36 or increase some like 60. Okay, then our title part, so title color will be white. Okay, secondary not text. Okay, then Poppin font size like 20 to 20. Okay, font weight 600, 600 or 500. Okay, fine, text transform uppercase. So copy this part and paste here, just paste, again paste, and here paste. So second 20 plus developers. Okay, just click here, 20 plus developers, 1200 parts of copies. So just click here, just write 1200. So don't add any comma or anything here, just write solid number. And finally awards, so awards fixed, so 7 award, so we don't need any suffix or prefix. Okay, awards. So this part is perfectly done now. So our counter part is done. Okay, so you can check here. Okay, nice. Then our next part is our latest work. This is color, I can just refresh the page. Okay, we add animation later, no problem. So this is our latest work with filter gallery. Okay, so go to again plus sign, again section, add section with inner section. So just drag inner section and duplicate this part. Okay, at the parent section I just add padding like top 80, bottom 80. Copy this part and paste here and remove this part. Okay, so our text latest work, and this take a look. Just click here and change the text, just here latest work. Okay, fine. So we need our filter, so just search here filter widget. This is our filter gallery, so it's come from essential add-ons. So just drag and paste here. It is very easy, almost done. And we can remove this column. Okay, so first we need to add this part column. So click here and content, filter over controls, so all. So first is our web design, then web development, and lastly we can use WordPress. We can use as you wish, no problem. Okay, web design, development, WordPress. Okay, and this is our gallery items. Okay, so we can, and one thing, when user click WordPress, it show WordPress related work, but when click work all, it show all but don't show any WordPress. So I can solve this. So gallery item, so gallery item name, so we can here project 1, so like this we can use. So control name, use the gallery control name from control settings, separate multiple like this filter control. So we use web design, so just write web design. Okay, we can use project 1 text. Okay, those are fine. We need to change image, so we can use this image for now for dummy purpose. Gallery item 2, our second part we can use like web design and comma web development, like two category with same product, project 2. And lastly we need to change our image, sorry, click here and we can use this image. Okay, we can write WordPress project 3. Okay, we need to change our image. We can have few options, you can change, you can use as you wish. So we can just write our third image. Okay, then our project we can use just web development. We can use project 4. Here we can use image. Okay, our fourth image. Okay, this is loaded, done, and we can use our fifth part. So like this is for all, so we can write web design and WordPress. You can use multiple category with separate comma. So this is our project 5. We can change image, this image, this is image part, and final part, our 6. So you can use project as you wish, whatever you want. So I just use we can just write web development. So those are for dummy purpose. You can use portfolio as you wish, no problem. Project 6, and change the image like this image. Okay, so go to our style part. Style, padding, don't need margin, border type, control style, padding typography, font family, primary. Okay, text color white. Okay, fine. And then active color, so we can use active background color, primary. Okay, and we can remove few margin. Okay, padding. Okay, we can use top 10, bottom 10, left 20, sorry 30 or 20 is thing. Okay, and 20. Okay, fine. So this part. So item style, so I think style we can here nothing else. Hover style need, so hover style we can use text and center. Okay, color white, perfect. Font family, primary. Font family, this is as text, we can use text. Okay, content typography, here color, title typography, we can use custom color, custom hover color typography, primary. Okay, so we can use transform uppercase. So hopefully this part is done now. So just click on update and show the update. Okay, fine. Click design, development, WordPress, just check here, all is done. Okay, so our next part, is very easy, which is our CTA part. So we can done easily. So we can here just click plus section, and we need a background image. So from style we can classic and take image. We can use which image? We can use this image for dummy purpose. Okay, then position center, size, cover, and then background overlay we can use same as like previous. So background color secondary, and opacity 95. Advanced padding like top 80, bottom 80. Okay, we can copy this line. We need a heading. We need a paragraph. Sorry, text area, text editor. We need a button here. We can copy one of button here from here. Copy this line, copy one button, and here we can just paste. Okay, so from here we don't need default, so just click here, content, text and center, just write hire me. Okay, and this text we can use center, then go to style, secondary color, sorry, not secondary, white color, then font size like 22, increase some size like 30 or 40, transform uppercase. Okay, font weight 700. Then this part, go to style, align center, color white. Okay, and we can use font weight like 500, and go to advanced, and advanced margin like right 100 and left 100. Okay, fine. So this part is already done, and this is only hover part is done now. Okay, then next part is our which is our client review part. So you can write here, show here your testimonial part. Mainly it's called testimonials. So again, click plus icon here and section, and from here we need inner section. So we can duplicate this part. Okay, so at the parent section we can use padding. So padding top like 80, bottom 80. We need section title, copy this part and again paste here. Remove this line. Okay, so what clients say, so just click here, change the here text and clients review. So you can click here, just clients review. Okay, so we need testimonial part. So from here just write testimonial. We can just type testimonial. Okay, first we need to done one part. So we can from style we can change classic, sorry, this part, first image, then text, and then this. So we need to change content, now this one, then icon image content, now this part content icon, change this content top, and finally this content bottom. Okay, which one you use is like bottom default. Okay, we use this part. Okay, so we need to copy this text. You can use your real text data from your client which you use, text content, just paste here. Okay, and then which is our debit week, web developer, and we need to use image. So from here already I have 3 images, so I can use this image, insert. Okay, fine, and go to style part. So first we select default already, background color left. Okay, testimonial image style, max 350. We can use border rounded a border. Okay, it will be rounded. We can use a border, testimonial style. Here is border type solid, border width 3, and color like #DDD. Okay, fine, and there's a color typography spacing. So first is username. So username will be our text. Okay, we can use text and font weight like 600. Okay, fine, and then company name. quotation style. From here we need to use quotation mark like primary. Okay, and then color one have at the bottom display, yes, this part. So this part will be from bottom part, content and typography, and here we can username margin top like something increase, and then company name margin 0, top like, okay, don't need top, this part is okay. Our testimonial company name, so typography will be text. Okay, I think this part is okay. So we need a box shadow, so from advanced we can just write border and then border box shadow. So we can use just remove few opacity 0.1. So I think this look more better. Okay, and here we can use few padding like 20 pixel. Okay, fine. So now duplicate this part, 2 and final 3. So we can remove this column. So we can easily change images from here, this image like this and this image, and then you can change text as we wish. Okay, we have this part, style, color, typography, spacing. So these are username, company name, testimonial, text. We can use text color and text. Okay, and copy this part and paste style, paste style. So our review part is done now. So click on update and see the version here. Okay, fine. So this part is perfectly okay. Our next part with price list. So let's start. So now start with our price list part. So again go to our part. So this is our design example. So here we can add a section here, plus one section with inner section. We have 2 rows, so just inner section and duplicate this part, and at the parent section we need a background image as like previous. So here image, from here we can use this image, insert media, and then position, center, background size, cover, then background overlay. So we can use our secondary color, and then opacity 0.95. okay, we can use padding, so top like 80 and bottom 80, and we need section title. So copy this part and here paste here. Okay, fine, and delete this column. So we need one column. So first we need our text, so my service charge. So just click here, just write, and then here click and prices list, prices list. Okay, so we need to change our color. So from go to style part, and here icon is style, so icon color change to white color. Then color typography, so we can change our main color to white. Okay, so this is perfect, and this color change to white color. Okay, so we need 3 price table. So essential, I don't have nice free price table widget, so just search here price, and we can just drag and drop here. Okay, so price table we can use price style 2. Okay, and at the column we can use style, background color like white. Okay, so duplicate this part 2 and 3. So we can first change our icon. So this is content, and from icon we just use money icon for dummy purpose. Okay, money, insert, and this icon click money. Okay, money icon, and this icon click here and money. Okay, fine, and then our basic, standard, premium. So just click here, just write basic, then standard, and then premium. Okay, we don't need list icon, so we off this icon, and from here click off this icon and this icon. Okay, so we can change and second item we can use our featured. So feature we can feature ribbon and just here enable style 2 or style 3, style 4. Okay, so we can left here. Okay, fine. So we can go to our style part and choose this part, choose plain. Okay, fine, no problem. So go to style part and just first here background color, border radius, so we don't need this. First we need to header part, so at the header, so our background color, so we can just write here hash F4, our primary color, hash F4. Okay, fine. And then typography primary, text transform uppercase, font weight 700. Okay, fine. Then our tagline, subline title, this will be text. Okay, this is okay now. So we can then our pricing, so color will be our text color. Okay, typography will be our text. We can type original price primary. Okay, and then original price currency, typography will be our primary, and then sale price we can use our primary, typography text, sale price currency, so we can back to later, period will be typography text, and color will be text. From here we can change text style to italic. Okay, then our feature list part, so here color, disable color, icon size, typography will be primary. Okay, and primary or text. Okay, and here we can change font weight to 500. Okay, fine. And then anything else, color, we can change color to our text color. Okay, so just copy. Okay, finally we have icon settings. Fine, icon settings like this. Okay, so show background. Okay, background color will be our primary color. Okay, fine, this is okay. So icon settings done. Then button, so we can use button text color, background color primary. Okay, then we have typography text. Okay, and then we can use our font weight like 500. Then we need to use remove all padding. Okay, top 10, bottom 10, left 30, right 30, so we can use to 15, and this to 15. Okay, fine. So again copy this part and paste style, again paste style. So we have a few work. So here click on this. First we need to change feature ribbon part. So featured style, go to style and icon ribbon. So ribbon background color will be primary. Okay, and don't need shadow, font size like 15. Okay, and then this our header part. So header part background color like primary. Okay, so it is okay now. You can change here our pricing. From here we can change subtitle price. We can use on sale part. So main price like 199, so sale price will be 89. Okay, let currency. Okay, fine, and go to style, and here from pricing, original price, sale price, so sale price typography will be primary. Okay, and hopefully this okay now. So we can change those text. So 99, 199, and this change to 299. So our price list part is okay now, perfect. Okay, here is our hover part remaining, so we can change here, from here copy style and hover, we can copy this code. Okay, fine. And we don't need any border radius, so go to style and here button, border radius 0, then hover, color, this part. Okay, fine. Again copy and all style, paste style, paste style. So our price table is perfectly done now. So again click on update, so we can check our example which is we done already. So this is our price table. Okay, perfectly okay. So our next part is blog part. So here is a nice timeline part. So already I add few posts here, dummy post, so you can use as your wish. So again just click here plus icon, one section, as like previous we use inner section, we need two inner section. So duplicate this section and we need our section title, so we can copy this section, so is section title, and paste here. So remove this column, and at the parent section we can use our advanced padding, top 80, bottom 80. So we can just write get in touch, get in touch, remove this, just write here blog. Sorry, it is colorful, so just here blog. So here we can just write here like post, search post grid, post timeline. So just drag this column here, okay, and remove this part. So this is automatic part done now. So when you click on it, you can check style, you can change this our timeline part, okay, automatically show here as we have 4 posts. So go to style part, color overlay, perfectly okay. Typography, so title alignment we can use center, and then title typography primary, okay, fine. And then exact style center, okay, exact center, text align center, okay, fine. And then arrow, so from arrow border color we can use primary color, okay, that's look nice. Then timeline part, data background color, we can use primary, okay. Then data don't color, line and bullet, line with separate timeline bullet color, so we can bullet color to primary, okay, fine. And timeline vertical line color to change to primary, okay, fine. So our blog part is done now. So nicely part, okay, already done. So just click on update and check here, our part is perfectly okay. So our last part is our contact us section with this Google Map and few address, okay, fine. So let's start. Again we need to again click section, again inner section with 2 column, just duplicate this part. So at the parent section, first we need to add background color, so I can use like hash F4 light color, okay. Then need to use padding, top 80, bottom 80. So I need section title, so just copy this line and paste, remove this column, okay. So get in touch, so copy this line, click here, get in touch, okay, and just here contact me, okay. So at this column we need our map, so just write map, we can use Google Map, Google Map, our video is okay, sorry, Google Maps, this part. So you can just write here, your address will be shown here, so I don't need change here. The column, column width, content column gap, wider, okay, vertical align middle. So we need address etc. So we use icon box, just drag and paste here, okay. Step view, okay, all are nice. Icon position left, then style, and here we can use content vertical align middle. Okay, so first we need address, and this is our address part. So click here, content, address, paste here, and address we will use map, this icon. Okay, duplicate 4 times, 2, 3, and finally 4. So next is our font. So this is our font number. So just click here, just we use font icon. So this is our font icon, insert, just click font. Okay, so this is our font icon, and then email, and click here, we use envelope icon, envelope, and just click here, email. Okay, and finally our website, this is our website address. So click here and just write globe, and this globe icon, and just click here, website. Okay, fine. So here this is our part. So we need to style part. So style from here, icon size, spacing, we can write 5. Okay, font size, icon size, we can use like 30. Okay, perfect. Content, here color will be black. Okay, content title color, will be, sorry, text color. Okay, typography, font weight 500 or 600. Okay, and then text transform uppercase, font weight 700. Okay, 600. Okay, I think. Font size 24. Okay, line height 0. Okay, line height we can increase like 30, or we don't use any line height by default. Okay, and text description. Okay, description, font weight we can use like 500. Okay, fine. Vertical align middle, spacing 0, like 5. Okay, and from icon we can spacing like few, like 10, 15, 10 will be okay, I think 10. Okay, so copy this part and again paste style, then paste style, and then paste style. So our this part is almost done. So this is our done part, and finally our footer part. So footer with our carousel. So this is very easy part. So we can here any background, no background color. Okay, one section. So we can just search here from widget carousel, image carousel. Okay, and from image selected, so we can use those images 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Create a new gallery, insert gallery. Okay, and thumbnail image we can use full. Okay, no arrow or dot needed. Image size was like to show 4 items, and I think this part is done. And for section we can use padding like top 40 and bottom 40. So this part done, and finally our footer part. So create a section, style, background, secondary, advanced, padding like 20, bottom 20. So first we need social icon. So just search social widget and drag and paste here. Okay, we can add an item like Instagram icon. Okay, and insert. And from style part we use our custom color. So custom color will be our white color. Sorry, this color. So not this color. So this color will be our white, and this color background color transparent. Okay, fine. and then font size like 18, padding 0, spacing 20 or 18. Okay, fine. So this part is okay. And icon hover color, so we can use icon hover color, this color. Okay, and finally our copyright text, so just drag and paste here. So just write here and copy all rights reserved 2022. Okay, and we change to HTML tag to p tag, alignment center, and go to style, and color will be white color, font weight like 4, we can change to text, text, and text transform we can change to capitalize. Okay, so our site is perfectly done now. Check here, all is okay. Okay, fine. So our next part is we need to add animation part. So it is very easy part. So go to back to top. So first choice this column, select this column, go to advanced. So from advanced you can use motion effects, expand, and entrance animation default. So we can, if you use fading left, so it's from fading left. So then our next column, so you can use this part or this column. Okay, advanced, and we can use motion effects, entrance. Here is few animation you can use as you wish. So for now, for example, I just write fading right. Okay, now this column again I just use motion effects, I can use fading left. And now this column again motion effects, entrance like fading right. Okay, fine. This part column, so we can entrance, so motion effects, entrance, fade in. Okay, now this column advanced, motion effects, fade in left. And this part, if you want, you can use one by one as you wish. And then motion effects, fade in right. Again we can use this part advanced, motion effects, fade in left. This part advanced, motion effects, fade in right. Now this column, so we can just write advanced and motion effects, fade in. So here is 6 columns. So first column we can use motion effects, we can use fade in left. This column we can use fade in down. This column we can use fade in right. Again this column advanced, so we can use motion effects default, fade in left. This column advanced, motion effects, fade in up and advanced, then again go motion effects and fade in right. Okay, now this part column advanced, then motion effects, fade in left. Now this column advanced, motion effects, fade in down. This column advanced, motion effects, fade in up. And lastly this column advanced, motion effects, fade in right. Now this column advanced, motion effects, fade in. Okay, we can just again, this is as it is one column, so we can just use fade in down or fade in up. And this part we can use column or full section. So just advanced, default we can use like another one like zoom in, zoom in. Okay, like this. Now this part we can use column, motion effects, default, fade in. So we can add this column, motion effects, fade in left. This one advanced, motion effects, fade in up. Advanced, motion effects, fade in right. Advanced, then motion effects, fade in. advanced, motion effects, fade in left, advanced, motion effects, fade in up and advanced, then motion effects, fade in right, and then this part, so you can just write advanced again, motion effects, fade in, and as it is one column, so you can just write motion effects. We can change another one, like bouncing, slide in down, slide in up. Okay, now this column, so you can use advanced, motion effects, fade in left, sorry, this will be fading, and this one advanced, fade in left, advanced, fade in right. Now this column, so you can just write motion effects, entrance, we can just bounce in. Okay, and lastly, finally this part, so you can just write motion effects like sliding up. Okay, and update. Okay, so our animation, when go to next section, our animation perfectly working. Just look here, very nice animation with free version Elementor. Okay, so our next part is menu part. So when user click on about part, so it go to about section. When services, it go to services. So if we back to our appearance to menus part, so you will check we already had hashtag. So you know, if you use ID, so you can use hash ID name and link to the every section. So how can you do this? So first this column, okay, this one. So click here and just write menu anchor. Okay, just drag here and just click, just like about. So which name, so must be similar to this name 100%. Without this it cannot work. Copy this part, again our services, so again section, and then paste. Hide this part. Okay, again we can write here, just write menu anchor. Okay, so just write services, then which is our menu latest word, which is our portfolio menu, and then testimonials menu, testimonials, and then prices, we need to add menu, so you can just write prices, and here we need to use block part. So another menu anchor, just link here, just write blog, and finally our contact part, so just again search menu part and just write here contact. Okay, so update the page. So when I click about, it go to about. Now services is services. When I click portfolio, it go to portfolio part. When testimonials is testimonials. When prices is go to prices, blog section, and finally contact, it goes to contact. So we need to another one, so we need to sticky menu like this. When scroll, but menu will be stick. So for this we need another plugins, so you can just click add new, just search sticky header like this, sticky header, menu sticky header effects for Elementors. Okay, optional features, extension sticky header. We can use this one, almost 1 lakh installation. So just click install now. activate. So how I can do this? So for settings, okay, dismiss settings to sticky menu. So sticky menu, so you don't need this part, sticky required like class. So for this we can add a class here from section. Okay, again we need to add padding, so just like 40. Okay, this one section and advanced, so we can add a class like sticky. Okay, update and copy this class and dot sticky as it is class. Okay, and save changes, update and refresh the page. Okay, scroll. Okay, our menu is sticky now, but when scroll it's color white, look odd. So I can solve this, so it's very easy. So from here we can choose our layout to full width. Okay, and here section style background color change to secondary, and at the primary we can remove this padding and this padding. Okay, we can use 60, sorry, not this line. We can use few padding here, section padding top like 50 or 60. Okay, update. Okay, so our this part is okay now. So we can for security purpose we can use okay, again section we can use 40. So we can this section advanced we can use genders, few genders, so all item will be under the item. So again here and remove this, update. Okay, so perfectly okay now. So our final task is make this site responsive for all devices. I think we can increase few padding here. Okay, refresh the page. So our final task is make this site responsive for all devices. So we already refreshed the page. Okay, so when click responsive mode, so first we check our tablet device. So at the tablet device, click here. It's look like here our hamburger menu is perfectly okay now. So but here is a problem. Here is a problem. How can we solve this? What is our section title? So let me check. So okay, as we use already hamburger menu, so it is perfectly okay now. So we can increase a few size like menu size like 20, and this column size 20, and this will be like 80. Okay, fine. And when click here our style, our main menu hamburger menu, so background color white, okay, icon color, items, text color, background color like secondary, okay, and our top position, okay, everything fine, text align center. Okay, so this is perfectly okay now. So now this part, so we need to use few padding. So at inner section we can use padding, so like right 40, left 40. Okay, fine. So we can decrease our font size from style, from dual section, color, typography, and here font size like 40 pixel. Okay, professional, this one style, it is perfect. Okay, we can use few padding, top like 40 and bottom like 80. Okay, or decrease some size Okay, and here as we have don't enough space, so we can decrease our padding. So border radius typography, so padding like top 10, bottom 10, left 20, right 20, copy here and again paste style. Okay, and this one click here, advanced, and here margin left like 20. So this part is okay now. Now this part, it is okay, perfectly okay. This part okay, this part is okay. This part, if you change, you can change whatever you want. So we can change here like 100% width, and this width will be 100%. Okay, and from advanced we can add margin tab top like 30 pixels. Okay, perfect. This one is okay. So we can here change like our column size to 50, then this will be 50, this one 50, and finally this part 50. Latest work is perfectly okay. This one okay, this one okay, price list okay, I think blog part is okay, contact section, YouTube, and perfectly okay. So our tablet is perfectly okay now. So our final is our mobile version. Click on mobile version. So from here already our okay menu is perfect. So at the here we can just align center, and then this is okay. We can decrease some font size, from color typography. Typography we can use like 22 pixel, like 26, and content alignment is have any alignment center. Okay, this part okay, and here we can change our button typography. So like top 5, bottom 5, left 20, right 20, 20 or 15, increase 10 like okay, copy here and paste style, and okay. So at the for the second part we can use margin top like 10. Okay, and vertical align button center. So as it is inline auto okay, center. Okay, fine, no problem. This is okay, this part okay, this part also okay, this part service provide okay, perfectly okay, okay. And this one you can change font size. Here we don't need here, advanced, margin 0, okay, fine. This part okay, okay. As Elementor already by default everything responsive, so we don't need many work to make this responsive. So our site perfectly okay for all devices, and refresh the page and check the front part. Okay, so our site is perfectly okay. If you check manually responsive, Ctrl Shift M, so you can check okay, yes, this is okay now. I hopefully made something problem with my okay, maybe browser crashing problem, but as it is show here, so we can say it is perfectly responsive here. So this is our today project. Hopefully you like this. So if you want, you can change everything and you can make awesome and very attractive portfolio site like this. I think here we can add few padding, will be better for desktop version. From we can check final here. So this is our part. So a section we can padding here like 80. Okay, so I think this is much better now. And our menu, top level menu, alignment left, okay, perfect. Refresh the page. Okay, so this is our today class. So if you like it and enjoy it, if you like, please like, share, subscribe my channel and to others. So thank you very much for watching. So hopefully we will make a new video with awesome topic. So stay well and stay with me. Thank you very much.